Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Curvi Yogi. I am Jakita, and today we are going to do a little bit of chair yoga. So grab yourself a chair and we'll go ahead and get started. So as we're seated in our chair, we just want to kind of make sure that our feet are firmly planted into the floor. So maybe you want to lift your toes and then make sure that the ball of the foot and the heel are planted into the mat. You may lift the arch just a little bit and then replace the toes back down. Once you do all that, you may start to feel some sensation in the calves and the hamstrings and the legs, the back of the legs. And then I'm just sitting a little bit off of towards the edge of the chair so that my feet can be planted firmly, and you may want to do the same. Just depends on what feels good for you. And then we're going to sit tall, so lifting the shoulders up towards your ears and then down and back, and then just relax them there. And then having the spine erect, sitting tall, reaching through the crown of the head, and hands can rest on your thighs. So we're just going to start with 3 deep breaths, inhaling through the nose, exhaling out of the mouth. So let's inhale together. Open the mouth and exhale. Inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. One last time, inhale. And exhale. And then we're just going to start with some side bends here. So I'm going to bring my right hand down to the end of the chair. You may bring it to the arm of the chair if you're sitting in a chair with an arm. And it'll be my right, your left. So we're going to inhale as we reach that right arm up towards the ceiling. And then exhale as you start to bend towards the left. Start to feel the stretch in the right side of the body. And then inhale, bringing the arms back up to center. So both arms are up now. And don't worry about if the arms don't come all the way up. That's okay. Just bring them up as far as is comfortable for you. And then exhale, bring the opposite arm down to the arm of the chair. And then reach that left arm over. So this time feeling the stretch in the left side of the body. And then inhale, both arms come up. This time we're coming into a twist. So you may want to bring your left hand to the back of the chair or the corner of the chair, and then your right hand to the outside of your left knee. And start to turn the spine to your left. You can look over your left shoulder. Notice that your breathing may change in the twist, and that's okay. And then inhale, bringing both arms back up to center. Exhale, bringing your right arm towards the back of the chair. Left hand to the right knee. And twisting over to the right. And you can look over your right shoulder if you like. Inhale, reaching both arms up. Exhale, bringing them down. We're just going to stretch the neck out a little bit. So bring your right arm out to the right at a diagonal, and then tilt your head over to the left. And you'll start to feel a little bit of the stretch in the side of the neck. If you want to add movement here, you can bring your gaze down towards the left hip with the left hand, and then bring it up towards the ceiling. Just gently. Notice how the stretch changes as you move the head, or you may just choose to stay in the beginning stretch. And then release. And we're doing the same thing on the other side, bringing that left arm out and tilting the head over to the right. And you can stay here if this feels good, that stretch along the side of the neck. You can add movement, moving the head or the gaze down towards the right hip and then up towards the ceiling. Just doing that gently, not too fast. Noticing how the stretch changes. Does it move right here? Or you can come back to our original stretch. And then release. So now we're going to go into a chair version of Warrior 2. So I'm going to turn to my right, or to your right, just slightly in the chair. And then you're going to bring your left leg behind you. So your left foot is going to be right behind you. Your toes are facing forward. And then bring your right foot to the opposite side. So your right toes are facing the direction of the right side. So this is our Warrior 2 position, kind of making sure that our shoulders are stacked over our hips. And then you can stay here, or you can choose to bring the arms up. Take a breath in and out. And then from here, we're gonna do a little bit of a reverse warrior. So you're gonna bring this left hand to the back of the left thigh, and then reach the right hand up and over. So like a side bend like we were doing before, but just in this Warrior 2 position. And then coming back to our Warrior 2 position. And then bringing the legs back together. And you can stay seated where you are. I'm just going to turn to the side so you can see what I'm doing. We're going to go into a little bit of a cat and cow stretch here to move through the spine. Seated cat and cow. So you can keep your hands on your knees or on top of the thighs. And then we're going to go into a cow pose. So what you're going to do is bring your chest forward and then look up. So you're trying to arch the back just a little bit, not a lot. Gaze can go up towards the ceiling. Keep the shoulders down away from the ears. And then on the exhale, you're going to start to curl your back and bring your chin to your chest. So pressing your back towards the back of your room or the back of you. And we'll do that 2 more times. Inhale. Lift in the chest. Arch in the back. Exhale. Curl in the back. Chin to your chest. Last time, inhale. And exhale, curl the back. And then coming back up to sit. And we're just going to practice a half sun salutation in our seat. So we won't have to leave our seat. So sitting tall like we were in the beginning. Shoulders up and back. And then inhale as you reach the arms forward and up. On the exhale, you're going to bend at the hips and reach forward and down. A little fold here. Inhale, slide the hands up towards the knees, straighten the back. Exhale, drag the hands back down. Inhale, reach the arms forward and up. Exhale, arms forward and down, coming back to our starting position. So we're going to do that 2 more times. So let's inhale, reaching the arms forward and up. Exhale, coming forward and down, little fold. Inhale, bring the hands up, lift the chest. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, arms reach forward and up. Exhale, arms come down. Last round, inhale, arms up. Exhale, coming forward and down. Inhale, arms slide up, lift the chest. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, arms reach forward and up as you sit up. Exhale, arms come down. And then we're just gonna start from the beginning and do that all, because we do have to do warrior on the other side. So starting here with our side bends, sitting tall in the spine, planting the feet on the mat. Inhale, arms come up. This time, bringing your right hand down to the side, reaching the left arm over. Inhale, both arms up. Exhale, left arm down, right arm reaches over. Inhale, both arms up. This time we're coming to our twist. So right arm to the back of the chair, left hand to right knee, and twisting to the right. Inhale, both arms come back up to center. Exhale, left hand to the back of the chair, right hand to the outside of the left knee, and twisting over to your left. Inhale, arms come up. Exhale, arms down. Bring your left arm out to the left. Tilt the head over to the right. You can stay here, or you can choose to make gentle movements with the neck, turning the gaze down and then up. Release. Putting the head back on straight. Reaching the right arm out to the side. Tilting the head over to the left. Again, you can stay here, or you can start to make gentle movements with the neck. Bringing the gaze down and up. And release. And then we're turning to the opposite side this time. So turning at a diagonal. Bringing that left foot to the left. And then the right foot is coming behind you. Oops. Got it on my blanket. So the right foot is behind you, left foot is forward. And then think about stacking the shoulders over your hips, reaching the arms out. And you can always keep the arms here as long as the spine is tall. Coming into warrior two. And then we're going to come into a little bit of reverse warrior. So this time the right hand is coming to the back of the right thigh. Reaching the left arm up and over. Reverse warrior. And you may start to feel that in the inner thigh here. That's okay. And then coming back to our warrior two. And then bringing the legs together. And you can sit forward in your chair. And I'm just going to sit to the side so that we can do our seated cat and cow. So again, sitting tall in the spine, bringing the hands to the knees or the tops of the thighs. And then we're going to inhale, reaching the chest forward, arching the back just a little, bringing the gaze up towards the ceiling. And exhale, curl the back. Bring your chin to your chest. 2 more times. Inhale, reaching the chest forward, gaze is up. Exhale, curl the back, chin to chest. Last time, inhale, chest comes forward, gaze comes up. And exhale, curl the back, chin to chest, just like a cat. And then coming up as we sit. And then we'll do some hamstring stretches here. So extending the right foot out and placing the heel on the floor and just keeping that leg straight, reaching the toes up. So this stretch you'll start to feel in the calf and the hamstring, the back of the right leg. Keeping that foot flexed, sitting tall. And if you want to build a little strength, you can always lift that leg and hold it there as well. Your choice. And release and bring that foot back down. We'll do the same with the left leg. So extending that left leg, straightening it, and placing that foot, the heel, on the floor, reaching the toes up. And you can stay here for your hamstring stretch, or you can choose to lift that leg, strengthening the quads, the front of the thighs. And release. And then we're going to go back to our sun salutations here. So sitting tall with the hands on the thighs to start. Inhale as you reach the arms up. Exhale as we come forward and down. So your chest comes down towards your knees. It might not be on top of the knees, and that's okay. Inhale, half. So lifting the chest, sliding the hands up towards the knees. Exhale, slide the hands down, bringing the chest down. Inhale, arms reach forward and up. Exhale, arms come down. 2 more rounds. Inhale, arms come out and up, or forward and up. Exhale as you bend forward, bring the arms down. Inhale, slide the hands up, lift the chest. Exhale, arms come down, chest comes down. Inhale, reaching the arms forward and up. Exhale, arms come down. Last round. Inhale, arms come forward and up. Exhale, arms come down. Inhale, slide the hands up towards the knees, lift the chest. Exhale, arms come down. Inhale, arms reach forward and up. Exhale, arms down. Coming back to our center. I'm just going to turn forward. We're ending sitting with our feet planted on the floor. Sitting tall, lifting the shoulders up and back into our starting seated position. Hands can rest on the thighs. And we're just going to end with our 3 breaths, inhaling through the nose, exhaling out of the mouth. So let's inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. Again, inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. Last time, inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. Thank you for joining me for chair yoga today. I hope that you found something that was helpful and useful for you in this flow. And I hope to see you all soon in my next video.